Okay, here we have a field, and this field is laying here quite a while, but like we see, if we start adjusting the field just a little bit everywhere, just by feeling, and the energy is shifting a bit, the field is stabilizing, just by giving our attention towards it. Like it's a dog who brushes, or you brushes the hair from tender and caring, and the energy is building up. It doesn't really matter if this stone is here and then here or there. If placing it on the same position again, but putting your intention into it, will increase the field. Let's take my little stone. Hello, there we are again. I'm holding a little stone on a cord. I'm holding it like this, not like a pendulum. What is like this? If we have a pendulum like this, we can easily let it rotate without effort. So by placing the stone like this, we have less influence on the stone, and sometimes, maybe not this time, but the stone is almost acting like it's magnetic, moving all over it. I will move over it and will feel for if there is somewhere resistance. Here there is a release towards this, and then towards here it's resisting. It's like I'm now pushing a barrier toward this, and then over here it's easier again. Go inside. Just place your hand like chakra is over here, so the whole field is one with you, and just slightly move over the stones, and you'll feel all kind of fields appearing into the stones. On this side there is freedom. See, I'm moving, then it almost looks like it's not able to move like here, so I will, it's like it's hanging in there. My upper hand is pushing, and the stone is, if you can't see it on the movie, try it yourself. There's also a difference if we make circles and we go around. We feel here it's going smooth, and here there's resistance, and here it's smooth. But then if we take another stone, I'm not sure if it's happening now, then the smooth and the resistance can be different, can be flipped. Even placing circles with squares inside of it, we can flip where it's moving a direction that is smooth, and if we place a square in it, then the smooth part becomes the resistance parts, and the other way around. So holding it like this, get the feeling in your hand and move over and feel the places. See, here is this area I can move through. I want to go to the stone, and if I just imagine more the feeling, see, it's almost like I can't get through. If we go into our ego and think, oh, of course I can go through, then there will be no feeling. But just increase the feeling and move the stone and figure out what's happening. This was a piece about showing how the stones are reacting on it. In a later part we have some more videos moving around with the stone on the court. Let's take our little stone, seen before in the examples, and move it around. Now if we force, here is a release, release, force, force, and here in this big ring is a big release. Doesn't matter if we're turning this way or that way, the field seems to go outward, going to the center, and there's force here. Here's entrance, force over here, entrance. This doesn't seem to give force. Let's turn this one a little bit. Not real force. Like I was telling before, here we have a circle, and here we have the cross inside. I don't show it with the cord on the video because it's more feeling than seeing, but this will make the field to the left and to the right more the same. If we have just a cross like this, for example, this one will go smooth and this one go resistance. If we get these out, then it's flipped and the other side is flipped too. That was what I meant. So if this one resist, that one goes smooth, resist, smooth. I hope I still remember. It was resist, smooth. Then it will be smooth, resist. And this will cancel all fields. Like showed before, in the beginning of the movie, here we have a field. Just move your awareness towards the field and feel where you end up. Maybe push the pause button of YouTube and feel what is happening. Now we shift to the field underneath it. Make the same movement. Make your awareness go to the center of the stones, move in and feel where the awareness is ending up. We will do this for several stone circles. This is another example. You will see you will end up at a total different place than when I move over to this one. It's like you go on a journey you end up at another planet. Just move in with your awareness and see with this field you have lots of more steady ground. It's more like earth based, but like you ending up at another place. And over here you move in and you end up having less steady ground. And then finally go to this one. Just slide in with awareness and feel the differences. I make a total movie, so you can pause and play by shifting towards different kind of fields. Okay, and finally we have placed another field into the circle and feel the difference of this field. This one is charged up at a place where somebody meditates to Christ consciousness. So connecting to all the masters, and inside that room these stones are charged. Feel the nice, soft, loving energy.